course my camera skills have improved since that one video.
Okay. Turning it on.
Not working anymore.
Settings, level 5, level 0, 5, 4,
about that though. There's no point in them lying to you about it.
Them not knowing what they sell.
Honestly, that's probably one of the most fair things.
They said, to know the level, count the flashes.
What?
I'm riding along. Oh.